what is the cause of damage here? So we need to assess a few things first. So we've got freshly exposed wood with very minimal signs of water entry, which means this is fresh. That's still black. Now up here we've got some grayed out areas that's been exposed for quite a while. Now next thing we want to look at is look at this exposure, see how these don't meet up. So this was definitely pulled back too far, but I'm noticing how far back the ceiling strip is too. So this is probably an older style shingle. I mean, of course you can tell that just looking at it. And so another way to tell is the vast majority of modern shingles fall within a 38 to kind of a 41 range. And so, let's see, that's closer to a 36 and a half. So that's definitely an older style shingle. And so, again, gonna do the same thing. These extended out past the edge about a ½ inch. So we've got a 4-foot span, so take that down to about here. So we're gonna look at this 41-inch span. I count one nail. That would have been the end of the shingle, and then there's another shingle. So 2 nails in that whole length of shingle. In this area, given the year this was installed, the requirement would have been 4, just judging based off of the age here. Nowadays it would be 6. Another concern I have is it looks like they nailed through the ceiling strip, which can weaken it. But on top of that, if you look at the side profile, you want to nail through both of these layers here normally. So the nailing portion of this shingle is right here. So we've got some issues with nail location. We've got issues with number of nails. These nails probably should have been held back a little bit further from the edge. I can't tell if that was wind or not. Usually you don't want them right on the edge within a ½ inch. You can do that as an extra to make it lay flat, but you can't do it as your sole nail. I'm also looking for, there might have been a 3rd hole there. But I'm also looking for, where are my staples on this, because it's only a couple staples, so it wasn't stapled properly. You could be getting wind inside that causing a little flutter. You could be getting rain. So I'm going to pause for a minute here in a second, and I'm going to go down at the bottom there to review. Picking back up where we left off, we have some of the debris on the ground. One in the corner, one in the center, one at the end. 3 nails for 3 feet of shingle. You can see how this one, where it tore, was the seam. That's exactly what I meant by high nail up there. They put the nails too high in the system. So this is definitely installation related.